Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So children, we are back again with a new video, with a new topic, with a new lesson. That is lesson number 3, we need water for class 2. I hope all of you are fine. And yes, and even you have understood lesson number 1 and lesson number 2 and completed your classwork as well. Not only completing children, just start learning lesson number 1 and lesson number 2 question answers, objective, everything, because we may start our first term examination also. Okay, so today we begin with lesson number 3, we need water for class 2. All the second class student, take out your term reader and page number 129 with the heading, what can you understand? We need more water means this lesson will teach us about water. ये lesson हमें पानी के बारे में समझाएगा. Take out your reader. Yeah, let us start now. We need water. First paragraph. All our body functions depend on water. We need water for drinking, bathing, cleaning and cooking. Plants and animals also need water. So our body function also depends on water. Every day it is compulsory for us to drink water, because if we are talking with someone, I am explaining you the lesson. So after explanation, immediately what I will do, I'll drink water because my throat will feel thirsty. Okay. So while playing also, after playing, after doing some work, every person, every people, and as well as children also, they feel thirsty and they need water. So our body also needs water. हमारे शरीर को भी पानी चाहिए. इसके अलावा other uses of water is what? Bathing, नहाने के लिए, cleaning, साफ करने के लिए, and for cooking also. For cooking also, what do we need? We need water. Plants and animals also need water. Not only us, even plants. Plants का भी एक टाइप का खाना है पानी पीना. उसके बाद animals का लिए भी, in order to survive, they also need to drink water. So you can also say, इस world में जो भी चीज है, whether it is human beings, whether it is plants या animals, सबको क्या चाहिए? सबको पानी compulsory है. Okay, and we human beings will not only use water for drinking. अगर आप एनिमल्स को देखो तो एनिमल्स सिर्फ पानी पीने के लिए यूज करते हैं. क्या एनिमल्स आपकी तरह कपड़े धोते हैं? नो. एनिमल्स खाना बनाते समय पानी यूज करते हैं? नो. एनिमल्स नहाते हैं अपने आप? नो. सो कंपेयरिंग टू एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स, वी ह्यूमन बींग्स, हम इंसानों को सबसे ज्यादा पानी चाहिए, क्योंकि हम सिर्फ पीने के लिए पानी यूज नहीं करते. हम धोने के लिए, कपड़े धोने के लिए, यूटेंसिल्स वॉश करने के लिए, पीने के लिए, नहाने के लिए, बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें जिसके लिए हम पानी यूज करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, वाटर फॉल्स ऑन अर्थ एज रेन. रेन वाटर कलेक्ट्स इन ponds and lakes. It becomes dirty. Some of it seeps through the ground. Dirt remains on the ground. We draw underground water by wells and hand pump. So हमें पानी कहाँ से मिलता है? पानी हमें रेन से मिलता है, जब बारिश होती है. So what happens? That rain water is been collected where? It is collected in the ponds and lakes. जो बारिश का पानी होता है वो ponds और lakes में जमा होता है. So वो ओपन एरिया में पानी रहता है. It means it becomes dirty, right? Because animals will feed into it, insects will feed into it, and many other things also. So many dust are there which will go into that water. So we cannot drink that water. The rain water again, it will form, it will go to the underground, and we will drink that underground water. So the dirt remains on the ground. We'll do, हम लोग क्या करते हैं? हम wells बनाते हैं और hand pumps बनाते हैं. आजकल तो बोरिंग है, एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी है, जिसकी वजह से हम we have a motor. If you just switch on, हमारे टैंक्स में पानी भर जाता है, and then switch off, पानी वहीं पर रुक जाता है. So we have advanced technology, but before that we used to have what? We used to have well, hand pump. So people, for especially human beings, only human beings, they do what? ये hand pump है ना, आपने देखा होगा, you people have saw, I think, and even I think you people have used also this thing. So hand pump as well as well. Well, we cannot find in the cities, but I think if you go in the villages, might be there are a few wells, but that too I don't think so it is available today right now. So we used to have one well as well as hand pump. सो जो पानी हम हमारे लिए यूज करते हैं वो पानी हमें अंडरग्राउंड से मिलता है, दैट इज विद द हेल्प ऑफ वेल एंड हैंड पंप. टर्न योर पेज. We must drink clean water. Water from ponds or lake is not safe for drinking. Well water is safer to drink than river water, but all this water contains germs. Germs can make us ill. So it is compulsory for us to drink clean water. So कहीं पे भी पानी हो हम वो पानी को नहीं पी सकते, चाहे वो लेक्स रहने दो, ओशंस रहने दो, रिवर्स रहने दो. हम वहाँ पे जाके हम डायरेक्टली वो पानी को पी नहीं सकते, बिकॉज वो पानी में क्या होता है, इट कंटेन्स germs. So if you drink that water, it will make us ill. That's why before drinking water, we should purify it. So next is what we will learn, how to purify water. Methods for purifying water. Chlorine is added to water to kill germs. We should filter and boil water. First thing is what they used to add, what, chlorine. Chlorine is one chemical solution. If you add that chlorine to the water will be purified. It will kill germs. Next is another method, we should filter it. We have what, filter paper like this. So we should filter it, and or else you can boil the water, and after boiling, after filtering, you can drink that water. So that will be good for you and it will not make us ill. Boiling is the best method for purifying water. Boiling kills germs. So again, so many methods are there, but one of the best method is what, boiling. सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा मेथड है पानी को बॉयल करके पीना, because it kills 99.9% germs. Okay, so if you boil the water and then afterwards you cool it, and then if you drink that water, it will be good for your health. Next, city water supply. How the city, we are living in cities, we are getting water. हमारे घर में well नहीं है, हमारे घर में hand pump नहीं है, so we are getting water with the help of what, taps. Okay, how the water is coming in our houses, with the help of that tap, with the help of motors, with the help of borings. Let us see now. Water from river or lake is collected in large open tanks. Dirt settles down in few days. Clear water at the top is filtered. Water is mixed with chlorine to kill germs. So first, the government or the person or the authorized authority, they will do what, they collect the water from rivers and lakes in the open tanks. एक बड़े tanks में वो लोग collect कर लेते हैं. Afterwards, few days के बाद जो कचरा है उसके ऊपर कचरा जमा हो जाता है. So then they clean water at the top is filter. So जो कचरा होता है वो कचरा नीचे जमा हो जाता है, and ऊपर क्या रहता है, clean water रहता. So that clean water is again filter. वो clean water को भी directly हम नहीं supply कर सकते, उसको पहला वो filter करते हैं. Filter करने के लिए what they will use, they use what, chlorine. So they use chlorine to kill the germs. Next, water is collected in high tanks. It reaches our homes by pipes. We get water by opening the tap. So now that water, the purified water, is being again collected in the tank. So इसका ये नहीं कि सिर्फ एक टैंक होता है, they have so many tanks. एक टैंक होता है जो रिवर का पानी कलेक्ट करता है, दूसरा टैंक वो होता है जो पानी का जो ऊपर का ऐसा जर्म्स नीचे चले जाते हैं या कचरा जो भी नीचे रहता है, सो जो ऊपर का पानी रहता है वो अगेन फिर से वो दूसरे टैंक में डालते हैं. फिर वो टैंक के अंदर क्लोरीन डालते हैं to purify it, and the tank which contains water which is added chlorine, वो क्लोरीन वाला पानी पाइप से हमारे घरों पे सप्लाई होता है. So you can see over here, this is the main tank. Ocean is there. The water has been collected in this tank. After that, it has been collected in the main tank. In this tank contains what? Purified water. फिर यही purified water से pipeline से सबके घरों में पानी जाता है. Okay children, this is how the water is being purified and the water is being supplied to the city. So till here, this much is enough. Part 1 is completed. Another part I will complete in the part 2. Till then children, you read the lesson, understand the topic and complete the classwork also. I'll give you work for this lesson number 3. Okay. So yeah, I'll meet you soon with the next part 2. Till then children, goodbye and take care.